Hey there, Roger Burnley here, vocal coach. Now, I've been coaching people for more than 25 years and using particular exercises to get them to become brilliant singers. This is one of them, and this one is going to help you develop a lot more control of your voice. Now, a lot of people don't understand that your control is so much to do with how you're thinking about things and how you're using your brain to direct what your vocal cords are doing. And that's going to ultimately turn into you controlling your voice as you are singing. Now, what I'm going to do is this exercise with a sustained note at the end so you can hear this a little bit. Let's go here. Now I'm going to show you how I can start to allow a little vibrato to come through. I can direct my chords to come together at a little more tension to take the vibrato out, or let it go to let it come through. Over time, by you just doing that simple exercises, you're learning how to control what your voice is doing. Let me show you again. There I put it together. There I let it come through. So I was just going back and forth, controlling, getting the chords to come together, or letting them release. Both of those are a manner of controlling what your voice is doing. As you practice that, you'll be amazed at how internally you'll start to feel how you're controlling your voice, and it will show up in your singing. So practice it and be patient with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you'd like a free singing workout that's going to give your voice more vocal range, better tone, and much more freedom, then click this button right here. And I'll take you to a page where you can get your copy emailed to you for free. If you're on your mobile device, you might not be able to click the button. So instead, click the link in the description to get the free workout. And as always, like, comment, let me know if there's any questions you have or anything you'd like to see in these videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Singing Made Simple, as there are a lot more videos on the way.